Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Toyota Corolla, stock number 6099. This ran from the 10th 2012 to 03 2015. It has a 2ZR FE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2ZR FE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right front headlight. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Factory touchscreen sat nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster,